So that's 3,000 feet on southbound. So now we're going to carry out and we're going to do a stall. So the first one we're going to do is an FAA stall, which is the power on stall. The reason we do these stalls is that every pilot should recognize when they're just about to enter a stall, and then to be able to, once you recognize it, how to recover from a stall. Yeah, it just doesn't mean that you're going to get a stall warner every time you hit a stall. The stall warner may not be working, therefore you need to be able to identify it. So what we are going to get, is incipient stall to start with, which is basically the oncoming of a stall, and then it's fully developed stall after that. So before you do anything, get settled down, make sure your power's set, heading set, speed is set, aircraft is trimmed out. Remember, you trim for speed.
Good afternoon, number 9812.
3000.
Okay, so here we go. We're all set up, speed's good, altimeter is set, the heading is good. So the first thing we're going to do is pull the power back, 1700, and by doing so, obviously the speed's going to bleed off. And as we do, we're going to maintain altitude by pitching the nose up slightly, keeping the ball in the center, and keeping our heading. There we go, 3,000 feet, we're all set on the heading bug, 3,000 feet. So what we're going to do is that we're going to maintain 3,000 feet. We're going to pull the power back to 1,700 for the power on stall, 1,700. Maintaining altitude, maintaining your heading, keeping the nose up. You can see the speed's coming away. We'll wait till 65 knots, then we're going to put 2,300 RPM in. So 3,000 feet, speed's coming down now, 75 knots, maintaining altitude, maintaining heading, let the speed come down, speed's coming at 70, 65, there you go, 70, 65, 2,300 RPM, bring the nose up gently, keeping your heading. We're going to enter an incipient stall, which is going to be the stall warner and light buffeting. It'll get quieter in the cockpit. And then we will fully develop stall. So there's stall warner coming in. That's an incipient, fully developed. We've got heavy buffeting now to recover. Control come forward, full power right rudder. Let speed build up. Speed 63. Let the nose rise. We've got positive rate, 63, and we're coming up. And we lost very little altitude. And the whole idea is to minimum altitude loss. So let the nose come forward, let get normal speed, maintain your heading bug, and we're going to climb to 3.